Hello friends, welcome to Crack Economics Entrance. Today in this video I will solve one of the question of Delhi School of Economics MA Economics Entrance question 2019. This is a question from linear algebra and it is a question from matrix determinant. Let's go through the question and let's solve the question and go through the question. Let A is a matrix 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 1. That is a matrix that is given here, and B1 B2 B3 are 3 cross 1 column vectors such that AB1 1 0 0, AB2 2 3 0, AB3 2 3 1. And given that let B be a 3 cross 3 matrix whose 3 columns are B1 B2 B3 respectively, then determinant of B is equal to, for option given, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 3, minus 3. So friends, here we have given a matrix, that is matrix A, and we are given 3 other column vectors AB1, AB2, AB3, and B is a matrix such that the columns of B are B1, B2, B3. That is B equals to matrix B1, B2 and B3. We have to find out det B, that is determinant B. First of all friends, we find out the determinant of A to see whether A inverse exists or not. Det A equals to 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 1. Expanding by first row, we get 1 into 1 minus 0, that is 1, not equal to 0. This implies A inverse exists. This implies A inverse exists. So friends, determinant of A equals to 1 and this implies A inverse exists. Now we are look into the product of vectors, that is AB1, AB2, AB3. Let's name them as C1 equal to AB1, C2 equal to AB2, C3 equal to AB3. Since A inverse exists, then we can say B1 equal to A inverse C1. Since A inverse exists, B2 equal to A inverse C2, B3 equal to A inverse C3. Here friends, C1, C2 are AB1, AB2, AB3. So matrix B looks like this: B1, B2, B3. If we put the values of this, B1 means A inverse C1, A inverse C2, A inverse C3. We get, if we take A inverse as common, then we would get A inverse into C1, C2, C3. So determinant A, that is det B, determinant B, that is det B equals to determinant of this matrix A inverse C1, C2, C3. This means determinant of A inverse into determinant of C1, C2, C3. Using the formula determinant AB equals to determinant A into determinant B. This is the formula. We have split determinant A inverse into matrix C1, C2, C3 equals to determinant A inverse into determinant C1, C2, C3. Now we know that determinant A equals to determinant A inverse. So obviously determinant A inverse equals to 1 and determinant C, C2, C3 we can compute here by this formula: 1 0 0 230 231. So expanding by the first column, we will get 1 into 3 minus 0, that is 3. So determinant B equals to determinant A inverse into determinant of this matrix, that is 1 into 3 equal to 3. So friends, the answer is option number 3, that is 3 is the correct answer. So determinant B is equal to option 3, that is 3. So it is a solution of a question coming from Delhi School of Economics, ME Economics question paper. So if you have any other question to be need to solve, please comment me in the comment section, or you can drop me a mail at my mail ID. Thank you for watching.